So we'll start with the prosperity prayer. I thank the universe for the wonderful gift of life which I value and cherish. I have a deep gratitude and a respect for the money that life has offered me. Prosperity is my birthright and I will claim it with my heart and mind. Deep down, I am aware I am born to be rich. I love money and open to receive all abundance and prosperity. Everything that I desire no, flows effortlessly towards me. I love my work and business, which I offer a wonderful service. Every day is an opportunity to meet good people and spread joy. I look at each day with hope and know that it would be a great day. Daily, I create miracles for myself and also for others. I attract in plenty and spend joyfully and have a huge savings. I am guided to make choices that are beneficial for me. I rejoice in others' success, knowing that there is a plenty for all of us. I attract wonderful people and excellent opportunities. My good comes from and everyone. I am fully contented and all is happy in my world. In this beautiful universe where I live in, everything is whole, complete, and perfect. Affirmations from Ultimate Freedom. I earn passive income. I earn more than enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I set up vehicles and systems to work instead of me. I get paid based on the value I provide without my labor. I love making money while I sleep, play, or on vacation. The less I work, the more I earn. Excellent passive income opportunities come my way. I appreciate all the free time and money I have. I'm financially free and work because I have to. I never have to work again. Affirmations from winning the mind game. I create my life. I create the exact amount of my financial success. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance. I admire and model rich and successful people. I believe money is important. Money is freedom and makes my life more enjoyable. I get rich doing what I love. I deserve to be rich because I add value to other people's life. I'm a generous giver and excellent receiver. I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now. Lucrative opportunities always come my way. My capacity to earn, hold, and grow money expands day by day. Affirmations from winning the money game. I am excellent money manager. I always pay myself first. I put money into TWCGO accounts every week. My money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I am financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to. My part-time business is managing and investing my money for creating passive income sources. Secrets of Millionaire Mind. Secrets of Millionaire Mind. My inner world creates my outer world. I observe my thoughts and entertain only those that empower me. I release my non supportive money experiences from the past and create a new and rich future. I create the exact level of my financial success. My goal is to become a billionaire and more. I think big. I choose to help thousands and thousands of people. I promote my value to others with passion and enthusiasm. I'm an excellent receiver. I'm open and willing to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I'm committed to constantly learn and grow. Law of attraction affirmations for wealth. I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. Money is attracted to me in all that I do. The money that always show up in my life is always used an inspirational way. It is so easy for me to attract wealth and prosperity. I don't even have to think about it. The true wealth that I easily attain allows me to express the best within my soul. I enjoy the amount of money and prosperity that is constantly attracted into my life. When I think how easily money comes to me into my life, I am comforted. Money is amazing because it allows me to be who I am. I really want to be. Wealth is always simple to attain in my life and I have plenty of time for other endeavors. I am a quite simply money magnet. Riches are constantly on their way to me. I can afford to be, do or have anything that allows me to express the greatest version of myself. I am always wealthy and secure when it comes to money. My bank account is loaded with all of the money that I will ever need. It is simple for me to keep an overflowing bank account that allows me to do what my soul desires. Through wealth, my spirit expresses the best version of myself. I have always found simple to attract whatever money that I need into my life. I am a force that money is attracted. I am grateful for the money that are constantly showing up in my life. I attract wealth and prosperity on a daily basis. My mind is wired for attracting wealth. Financial security is always within my life. My income extends the amount of joy I can experience within my life. I'm so happy that I'm constantly attracting money to myself. Money shows up in both expected and unexpected ways. I'm consistently welcome wealth into my life. My brain is a magnet for prosperity for all that I do. 20 affirmations for making money. I'm receiving money now with ease and grace. I love actively and passively making money. Money is coming to me with little or no effort. I enjoy working and being paid well. Unexpected money is coming to me. Manifesting more money comes naturally. I'm powerfully charged money magnet. I'm feeling open to receive abundance. I see the infinite supply of energy. I'm taking financially rewarding opportunities. I choose to enjoy accepting payment. I'm excited to be making money. I notice new possible income sources. I have everything I need, including money. The universe is conspiring to make me wealthy. I see myself living a life of financial security. My positive attitude is attracting money. Affirmations are motivating me to become rich. I live confidently knowing I am worthy of prosperity. Healthy lifestyle. I love myself and I am perfectly healthy. I breathe deeply, exercise regularly, and feed only good nutritious food to my body. Every day, in every way, I am healthier and stronger. I always feel good. As a result, my body feels good and I radiate good feeling. I am well and I am a perfect health. I honor my body by trusting the signals that it sends me. I enjoy the foods that are best for my body and I love every cell of my body. I am surrounded by people who encouraged me to be healthy. I manifest perfect health by making smart choices. I look forward for a healthy old age because I take loving care of my body. I am grateful for my healthy body, peace, flows through my body, mind, and soul. I am grateful to be alive. It's my joy and pleasure to live another world. Gratitude affirmations. Thank you for this new day. I am filled with happiness and gratitude. I am grateful for another chance to live in. I am grateful to feel the air in my lungs and beating of my heart. I am thankful for simply being alive. Thankfulness, appreciation, and sincere gratitude are the part who I am. I am grateful for who I am. I'm grateful for who I am and for what I am. I invite gratitude into my heart. Today I will have an attitude of gratitude. Thank you for the blessing this day will bring. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. So we will do the currency exercise. Take your currency note. Take your currency note. Take your currency note. Just observe from the both sides where you can see both the emblems, Gandhiji emblem and other emblems. See the digits. Just see carefully and focus on the white part of the note. On one side there is a little 1/4 part is white where you can see the specks and Swachh Bharat. You have to focus on this white where whenever you are giving money, you have to give this because the double digit will come. So whenever you are giving money, thank you for the product or service I am getting, and this money is going to come in a multiplied way. When you are spending money, it is going to come in a multiplied way. Doubling. So we are going to express the 5 feelings which money likes, so that we can attract money and you can please money and money will please you. Gratitude. Thank you for the money we had in the past, the whole family generations, all material possessions, all the beautiful experiences with the money. Thank you for the money we have in the current time, which is known to us, which are not known to us. Thank you for all the material possessions and experiences we have in the current position. Thank you for the future possessions, future experiences, and future financial growth we are going to have. We respect money. We have done now money rituals. We are doing this currency as a everyday ritual. Every year we do a money ritual by showing the respect. You will have a special place in your house as a locker where you will keep money, and you will create an empty space in the locker so that the money gets a space to sit in there. Sorry for all our past mistakes we have done unknowingly. Since we have become aware about the money mistakes, we have become more conscious about the money, and we have learned so much about the money. The instruction manuals, we are going to follow that and we minimize the money mistakes, but definitely we learn from our money mistakes, we minimize it, but since we become aware, we immediately correct the mistakes and we will go for the next level. We love money. We love money the way you express everyone. So yet I love money because unless you express the love towards money, you are comfortable with money, money will not come to you. Sorry for not loving all these days. We will start loving money more and more. We'll become more confident in earning money. We'll become more confident in spending money because we know even if the money is going, we are capable of earning. When we are managing money, we will become more confident because we know that money is going to come and we will manage because we have got more knowledge. So we are more confident in making money, spending money, managing money and handling money. We will not get stressed when money comes to us. The more the money, more management will come, but we will not get stressed. And there is an abundance in the universe. There is a source from the abundance. The scarcity is there only in the mind. Since we are developing the abundance mindset, the from the source you will get your financial success and abundance in your divine time. We are fully equipped now to attract money. We are diluting our negative emotions about the money. The more positive emotions you express, the more positive feelings towards money you express, you are going to attract the abundance. And we are going to utilize the unique mental model that is called Arigotti technique. Whenever money is there, the money is there universe. From the universe, money has come to you through your channel. You are giving, and it is coming again through universe in a double way. So when you are giving, the money has come, money is going, again it will come. So it is a airflow technique. It's called happy money. When you are attached to have money and be there in the house, then that means you are operating from the fear and doubt mode. So money is there in the universe. It will come to you. It has to go. It will come back again. So it is called air arigato happy money technique. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, and thank you, universe. Yes. So today is over. Now Diwali is over, na? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, you can on it now. You can on the video. So all these 3 days we have just gone through a different visualization, different music and affirmations only. Now Diwali is over. So tomorrow we'll have a proper class and I will take you through Millionaire Mind Advanced Manual. So all these days, whatever we have learned, we'll just revise and I will show that manual so you know that what to refer in future. The different type of meditations we have done, different instructions, so many things I have covered. So we'll go through tomorrow. And then if you can post your questions in the group so that we can have one question answer session. Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, last week assignment था. If time and money is not a problem, what kind of the things you wanted to have are required?
Yes.
तो लिखने के बजाय मैंने मैम अपनी वो ड्रीम बुक ही बना दी. So thank you so much.
अच्छा, good. Now that's what. See, basically, if you write, it's better that you spend some time at night, 1 hour, 2 hours. Once the list is ready, you have to just search in Google, and you will get so many images also. So just take those images and just copy paste in a PowerPoint presentation. And then for that PowerPoint presentation, you can convert that into MP4 also. So that is there on your mobile. So daily, if you see, it is good. So today is the last day of Diwali, no? Padwa Bhobij.
Yes, today is.
Huh. So we'll meet tomorrow. You'll be able to come tomorrow, no?
Yes.
Okay then. Okay, have a great Diwali, last day of Diwali.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.